Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio in Grok Imagine. So as you can see here guys, if you click an image in the left hand side and you want to generate some video of an image or whatever, you can easily do that. But to change the aspect ratio, just go towards the right hand side where it says video, click the drop down, and here you have the aspect ratio. You can easily change that. So if I want it to 3:2, I can click on that. Now I can go ahead and generate whatever. So I can just say right banana. For example, I can say a ripe banana getting old, right? And this is going to be my prompt. And I can just say click and basically send. And it's going to go ahead and start to generate that video for me. And you can easily use text to generate video. You can use images to generate video and so forth. So let's just wait a moment for this to generate it for me. And you can see as well that it actually changed the aspect ratio for me. So that's how easy it is, guys, that you can easily change the aspect ratio in Grok Imagine to generate your videos. Very cool, right? So I'm going to show you finally what that video looked like of the banana turning old. And so you can see how powerful is Grok Imagine. And there you have it, guys. How cool is that? Very easy and very simple.